technology that is built for your every sense. Acer Pure from Acer.
Vote chori charge against the Election Commission is falling flat with each passing day. A couple of days ago, Rahul Gandhi met a group of people, which also included a woman named Ranju Devi. In the video released on Congress MP's social media handle, Ranju Devi claimed names of 6 members of her family, including that of hers, is missing from the draft voter list. But within hours of this claim, it was fact-checked by the poll panel. Ranju Devi was informed that all names are available in the draft voter list, and she later admitted that she was misled.
हमारा नाम है रंजू देवी, नौहट्टा प्रखंड से आया हूँ, चफला गांव से। पति के नाम है सुधीर राम। हमारे वोटर लिस्ट में हमारे घर के परिवार के 6 के नाम कट गया है।
आप पहले थे उसमें?
जी पहले थे। ये नया वाला जो बना लिस्ट उसमें नहीं आया है। हमारा वार्ड जो है और पंच है, वार्ड और सचिव है, वो दोनों निकाल के लिस्ट लाए। उसमें हमको बोले आपको 6 आदमी के नाम नहीं है, चलिए वहाँ पर आ रहे हैं राहुल गांधी, तेजस्वी यादव। तो वहाँ भी बोला उन लोग के बोलना राहुल गांधी से कि हम लोग के 6 आदमी के नाम नहीं है, पुराना लिस्ट में था, नया वाला में नहीं है। तो वही बात हम वहाँ जाकर बोले हैं।
अभी आपको बीएलओ के द्वारा दिखाया गया लिस्ट नया वाला जो 1 अगस्त 2025 को प्रकाशन हुआ है, उसमें अपने नाम अपना पाया?
हाँ।
और अपने परिवार के सदस्यों का नाम पाया आपने?
सबको नाम पाया।
Now, the BJP has hit out at Rahul Gandhi for spreading a false narrative, but the opposition continues to allege discrepancies in the voter list. Congress is now alleging that BJP coerced Ranju Devi into changing her statement.
पहले जिस महिला ने आरोप लगाया और अब सरकारी मशीनरी के दबाव में जिस तरह से बयान बदलवाने की कोशिश की गई है भारतीय जनता पार्टी और एनडीए की तरफ से, यह हमारे लिए ठीक नहीं है, हमारे लिए बेहतर नहीं है। जिस तरह से एक समय आरोप लगता है और उनके बयान बदलवाने की कोशिश सत्ता के दबाव में की जाती है, यही तो हम कहते हैं कि लोकतंत्र और संविधान को भारतीय जनता पार्टी ठेस पहुंचाने की कोशिश कर रही है और इन मूल्यों की रक्षा करने में असफल हो चुकी है भारतीय जनता पार्टी। इसको सत्ता से बदलना ही एकमात्र विकल्प है। देश हमको सुरक्षित अगर करना है तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी को सत्ता से हटाना पड़ेगा।
So the allegations and counter on vote chori continues. Now, in the latest flashpoint, according to the opposition, according to the Congress, Ranju Devi and her family members' names were omitted. They were not present in the voter draft list. Later, the poll panel fact-checked, informed Ranju Devi that not just her name, but her family members' names were also available in the draft voter list. That's when she admitted that she was misled. BJP has hit out at the Congress party on this fact check on the admission. The latest admission coming in from Ranju Devi that she was misled. BJP says this is the narrative, a false narrative that Rahul Gandhi and others in the opposition are hell-bent on spreading. Let's go across to Niyamika joining us in the broadcast with more details. Niyamika, was Ranju Devi speaking under duress before or after? Because BJP says she was misled after Ranju Devi herself made that statement. Congress hitting back says she is speaking under pressure now.
Well, it seems like attack and counter attack is coming in from both the sides, as both Congress party and the BJP are making allegations against each other, as we have seen that how the Congress party is repeatedly saying that the manner in which this SIR exercise is being conducted in the state of Bihar, many of the people from the state have now started approaching Rahul Gandhi during the voter Adhikar Yatra, and they are also making this complaint that they are not being able to find their names in this voter list, and that is the only reason why the Congress party seems to be quite confident over this entire matter. They are saying that it is basically the pressure which the BJP and the Election Commission of India is trying to put upon the people of Bihar, and that is the only reason why such kind of statements are coming in. And for that reason, they are saying that Election Commission should first give a reply on all the data and the facts which are being presented by Rahul Gandhi during a press conference. They are seeking a reply on the part of Election Commission of India, and they are basically also making this allegation against the BJP that why it is BJP who is coming out in open, and they are giving clarification on the part of the Election Commission of India, rather than it should be the responsibility of the CEC to give replies to start an investigation.